pairs will come down. So here's a really good lesson, guys. Even with a perfect liquid 50, don't ignore divergence, don't ignore 50 EMA breaks, and don't ignore when it shifts down on the short term. Those are 3 things to keep in mind when you're trading the ASFX systems, okay? And I know there's a lot of new people here today. I'm putting another link in the chat for you guys. Check out the starter pack. We built the starter pack specifically because I wanted to put everything that you would need together in a one-time fee package. Because I know that all these trading companies say they want to help you make money. All these guys say, I can teach you how to trade and make money. But none of them actually care about you making money because they charge you monthly subscription fees over and over and over again. And they're digging a hole into your pocket. The way we do it, you pay me because I put in all the time to build the course and to back test it and prove it profitable. Then you're in. You're in for life. You're in the VIP. You're in the Discord chat. You're working with us every day. You're getting my watch list. You're getting a group of people to ask questions to every day. And everyone in the VIP speaks the same language. You cannot get into our group chats if you don't take the courses. I'm very strict about that. It's made our community so solid. It's made it so people don't have to leave our community once they come. How many people here have bought a Forex course or a Forex signals group or gotten into a group chat and then left because they feel unheard, they feel like they can't ask questions, and they feel like they're going to get yelled at if they're wrong? Everybody probably is raising their hand or hitting the thumbs up button if that's you. Smash the thumbs up so I can see who that is. But that was me. When I got into trading, every group I would join would bash me for asking questions. Every group I would join would destroy the people that would do something wrong. How does that make any sense if you're actually saying you want to help people make more money? If you want to help people make more money, you charge them a fee, of course, because this is transactional. And when you pay for something, you take it more seriously. And I put in a lot of work to build this shit and build ASFX. So you're going to pay me for that, but you're not going to pay me every month just to be around me. I can stream live on YouTube for everybody. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Instead, you pay, you take it seriously, you learn the rules, you learn the systems, and then you start practicing it. And we put people through a 3-step process that I think works really, really well. Step 1 is always going to be learning, education, taking the courses, taking notes, booking a call with me, asking questions in the group chat. That's step 1. Step 2 is to demo trade. And every Forex guy will tell you, don't trade a demo. It doesn't have emotions. Don't trade Right. I know it doesn't have emotions because it's not real money. However, trading on a demo account will allow you to make the beginner mistakes with paper money. How many people have placed a wrong lot size order at least once in their life? Me. Meant to put a 10 lot, I'm in on a 100 lot. That's a bad situation to be in, and it should have been done on a demo, and I did it with real money, and I lost that money. So you want to avoid those beginner mistakes with real money, and that's where a demo account can come into play. And a lot of people don't want to trade the demo. Why? Because they want short-term money. They think they're going to just start making money right now. But if you don't even know that you can trade well, why would you put real money at risk? So step 2 is the demo, and then step 3 is to actually put real money into the market. And for example, if you want to put 10 grand in, I tell people put 5 in. Trade the 5 to 7 and then add the other 5. Now you're at 12. Don't go in with 10 grand without demo trading, without practicing, and then lose 5 and then call me and say, hey, can we get on a call? I'm down 5 grand and I need to make my money back. I've never seen anyone do that successfully. They always have to re-add and put more money into the account. It's just not a good position to be in. So that's the 3 steps I would follow if you're looking to get into trading the right way. And again, we provide you with everything you need at ASFX. So you can click the link in the description. You can DM me, email me, and ask me any questions. I'll get on a call with you and answer any questions you have. I'm here to help you guys in any way that I can. This has been what's given me freedom, and I just want to share that with you guys. So any way that I can do that, I'm going to continue to do it. Through courses, through live seminars, shout out to the Miami gang. I'll see y'all in like a month. Through retreats, shout out to the December gang. I'll see you in December. And then, of course, through the live streams. So, all right, Doge is down 27%.